Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant savannah, there lived a regal lion named Aion. Aion was not just any lion, he was the king of the plains, the ruler of the beasts, and the guardian of the land. One day, a great drought struck the savannah. Aion, with his wisdom, knew that he had to act swiftly to ensure the survival of his subjects. However, he was faced with a dilemma. Should he lead his pride to the sparse, far-off watering hole, or should he stay put and risk the savannah's entire ecosystem? Aion pondered long and hard, his eyes scanning the parched lands. He knew he had to make a decision, but it was a heavy responsibility to bear. The fate of the savannah rested on his shoulders, and he felt the weight of it all. One day, while Aion was contemplating, he saw a small mouse scurry by. He had always been dismissive of the little creature, regarding it as insignificant compared to his regal stature. But the mouse, unlike others, approached him fearlessly. "Why do you seem so troubled, King Aion?" the mouse asked, its voice small but clear. Aion was surprised, for he had never seen a mouse so bold. "I am torn, little one. I have to decide whether to lead my pride to the distant watering hole or stay here and protect the savannah," Aion explained, his voice echoing the weight of his dilemma. The mouse thought for a moment, its eyes sparkling with an unexpected wisdom. "You are the king, but you are also a part of this land. You must not forget that," it said. Aion felt a sense of clarity wash over him. The mouse was right. He was not just a king but also a part of the savannah, and the fate of his subjects was entwined with his own. With a renewed sense of purpose, Aion led his pride to the distant watering hole. The journey was long and arduous, but they persevered. Upon arrival, Aion used his roar to call the other animals, ensuring they too had water to drink. The savannah survived, and Aion learned a valuable lesson. He realized that he was not just a king, but a leader who cared for all his subjects. The small, insignificant mouse had shown him that every creature, no matter how small, had a role to play in the grand scheme of things. And so, Aion continued to rule with wisdom and compassion, always remembering the lesson learned from the small, fearless mouse. The savannah thrived, and Aion's legacy lived on, a testament to the power of empathy and understanding.